What's up, YouTube? We got a new pad here, and you know what? It's time for a new board wall. You ready, Walker?
Yeah.
Alright, so right now I got some boards already hung up. And these boards are hung up with fishing line and my command, not my command, but the command hook I bought. And they work okay. There we go, we got it back on there. So for now I got some boards going upstairs for a different look. But over here, up higher, we're gonna have hooks hanging with the Skatology hook I have here, the mounts. Because it's gonna be over a walkway, and I'll make sure that they're more secure. The commands are okay, but they're not very consistent. They can, get old and fall eventually. And I don't like that idea hanging over my family. The Skatology skateboard display. Walker, turn that back on. This first pack I have here, it's got the mount in here and the drill bit. So you don't got that drill bit. And the other ones here is regular, the regular pack, there's no drill bit, just the pack. So I'll pull it out and show you how it looks. So you got the drill bit, clutch, and the actual mount is right here. And first up we got the drywall insert. So once you get the drill hole in the wall, you're gonna put that in there, pop it in, and then you put the screw in there and the mount, and you tighten it down. It causes the insert to widen, and it grabs on like a hook behind the wall, and makes it really secure. On the other end, you got two bolts to hold the boards on the truck pattern. Walker, come back here, I need the board. So if you want to have it with no hardware showing, you leave it as is. That's like the invisible way to do it. So you just put it in here, and you don't see anything. It holds like that, But if you want to lock it on there, you take them off. And then they're off now, and you can slide it in there. Oh, before you do that, you also got to put these back too. So make sure you get enough room. Put them on there, and then you put these back on this end. The star pattern would be on the outside. So you get it like that. And you pull it back, and then you tighten these ones on both sides. So it holds it really secure. On some boards, these won't fit in it correctly, so all you do is you're gonna go through it with the drill bit and widen the hole a little bit. It's still usable. So real quickly, I'm gonna run through here and drill the top two holes a little wider. Just make them, a little bit wider so they fit better. And I got a trash can underneath this kit, to catch the extra sawdust instead of making a mess in the house and, getting Molly mad at me. Make sure it goes the right way. There we go. You can go through it nice and easy. One hole, and the second one. And now we got the holes a little bigger now, so it'll go in no problem. Perfect. So right now we gotta go up there and measure where I want them, and figure out how far apart I want them and everything else, and then we're gonna drill holes and then get them all mounted up. So one thing you make sure you want to get is a good ruler, and if that ruler has a level, even better. But make sure you have a level, because you need it for sure, because you want to make sure you get the boards are nice and level, and if they're not level, it's going to look janky, and you don't want to look janky. So I got a couple boards already hung up, just for reference, so I know where to measure it, and I did it ahead of time to make it easier for me. But I put the first one up I wanted, and after that I made sure they're going to be an inch apart, so I marked on the wall with a colored pencil. It works real easy. So I marked on the wall lines where the boards are at, and make sure they're inch apart and level. Same thing here. And all my boards are on the same size, so I can see measurement all the way along. So I'm going to measure the next one, an inch line here, an inch line here, so I match it up. And then I figure out how far apart the mounts are, and then I mount them accordingly. So now I know I have a line here, and that's where I want to put it. And to mark the hole where to drill, I have a small screwdriver here, and I just go in here, make a little divot. That way I know to drill right there. And now I'll get the drill, and now I just gotta drill the hole right in the center. Get the insert, Pop it in. I probably should use a mallet, but you know what are you gonna do? That was available right there. And get the screw now. Line this up. Get it started. And tighten it down. Simple as that. Then once again, I'll check the level. So I gotta move it a little bit. Perfect. And that's 7 of my boards hung up with Skateboard hooks or mounts that I got some ones here for when I get new boards. I can put them on here right away. And then eventually I'll get more mounts and put them here, all the way to the wall, for future boards. And that's how you mount skateboards with the Skateboard mounts. It's pretty simple. And once you get past all the measuring and everything else, it's pretty easy. You just gotta, tap the hole and then drill it and then screw it in. It's very, very secure. This is secure too, but it's not as secure, And if you want to see how to do the command strip ones, I'll leave a link down below and up above in the cards. And if you're gonna drill holes in the boards to make them fit better, you're gonna make sure you drill it this side up. Drill down on the graphic instead of this way. Just do it, graphic up, drill in, pull out, ready to mount. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this how-to video. If you want to see more how-to videos, let me know in the comment below. And also leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.